we're going to use air dry clay to create some tactile texture to make this cute little sun. So the first thing we need to do is get some air dry clay. If yours comes in a container like this, you're going to pull this little part up, and then with your muscles you're going to rip this part. So you'll rip that up and it'll look like this. Then you're going to carefully peel the wrapper off. Just like that. Then you're going to make this into a sphere, which means a ball, a circle. So I'm taking my two hands, I'm going to kind of squish it first, and then I like to roll it in between my hands, or you can roll it on your table. Ooh, that's getting close to a ball. That's a little closer. It is not a perfect sphere, and that's okay. Once you have something that's close to a sphere, you're going to take your hand and smush it down. That's getting good. It's still a little thick. We need to smush it some more. I think standing up and pressing down is the best way to make this flat. We don't want it to be super thin, but we do want it to be spread out so that we have plenty of space to make the details for our sun. This is looking good. See how thick it is? For you, it's going to be about the size of the palm of your hand. So take your hand, take your flat little pancake, put it on there. Is it about the same size? If it's not, press it down just a little bit more. Okay, once we have a nice flat pancake, we're going to take a container top and we're going to take this part and press it down. Now I'm not going to press it so far that it breaks this in half. I'm just pressing it a little bit to make a little dent. So now I'm not going to press too hard, just a little dent. See how it makes that circle? But it didn't go all the way through. Okay, now we're going to use a stick and create those rays coming out of the sun. So I'll go ahead and do that by just pressing down. And again, I'm pressing to make a dent into the clay, but I'm not pressing so hard that it actually goes through all the way. Notice how I'm moving the clay instead of my tool. Okay, now it's time for that cute little face. Again, I'm going to press in, but not all the way through. And I'm going to make two eyes. If you'd like to make a nose, you can. And then some kind of mouth. I like that smiley. So it's hard to just draw on here. So what I'm doing is pressing down, pressing down, pressing down as I come across. Huh, look at that. It kind of gives it teeth. I like that. Then I've been using this side of my stick, but I could turn it around, and I also really like those cute little cheeks. So I'm going to put those in. Now you're going to go find your name and place the sunshine on your name. I will be using a straw later on to poke a hole right up in the top. This is going to let us create this masterwork into wearable art. We'll be able to make it into a necklace.